In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Bed Bath & Beyond order. Tracking your order is a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to locate your purchase with ease. Whether you're eagerly awaiting your latest home decor find or you're checking on the status of a gift, I'm here to make sure you know exactly what to do. First, let's begin by navigating to the Bed Bath & Beyond website. To get there, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which is www.bedbathandbeyond.com. If you have it bookmarked, you can go directly from your bookmarks, which might save you a few seconds. Once the site is loaded, the next thing you will need to do is log into your account. If you're not already logged in, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials, your email address, and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a handy forgot password link to help you reset it. Now that you're signed in and ready to roll, the next step is to go to your profile. You'll find this in the same top menu where you logged in. Click on your name or the little profile icon to drop down your account options. Among these options, you'll see My Orders. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you'll be able to view all your past purchases. This is particularly useful if you've placed more than one order and need to locate a specific item. On the My Orders page, you will see a list of your recent purchases. Here, you can browse through your order history, everything from your latest buys to those memorable shopping sprees from months ago. Next to each order, you'll typically find an order number and the date the purchase was made. To track a particular order, look for an option to view order details or track shipment. Click on this option. This link will often bring up a detailed view of your order status, including shipping updates and estimated delivery time. While you're checking the status, if an order has been shipped, you might also be provided with a tracking number. This is usually hyperlinked and will redirect you to the courier's website where you can see the real-time progress of your delivery. It provides you with detailed updates such as the current location of your package and its estimated delivery time. And there you have it, a straightforward way to track your Bed Bath & Beyond orders from the convenience of your own home. Just remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, Bed Bath & Beyond's customer service is available for further assistance. We hope this guide helps keep your online shopping stress-free and organized. Thanks for watching.